Hi, I'm Rachel Sheldrick from the Workshop Whisperer, and I help auto repair shops to achieve business success. One of the first things I discover when I start working with a new client is that their relationship with their accountant is usually less than optimal. So today I want to share 5 questions that you can ask your accountant to make sure that they're doing what you need them to do. So the first thing that we need to ask is my current business structure still effective? So if you're a sole trader or you're in a partnership, you need to find out is that the most effective structure for you? Should you actually be moving to a company structure? So make sure you get that one ticked off. The second thing that we want to ask your accountant is around your systems. So is my workflow system able to be integrated with my accounting system? The third thing that we want to ask is, can I call you at any time? And if so, how much will that cost? These days, good modern accountants will offer you some kind of retainer so you can call them when you need them to get the answers to the questions as they arise. The fourth question that we want to ask is around your performance. So how can I improve the performance of the business financially? And the last thing that you want to ask your accountant is, when will I reach my financial goals? So those 5 questions, go and ask your accountant. If you're not getting the answers that you want, then make sure you message me here on the page and I will refer you to one of our great industry-specific accountants. Also, come and join me in my free Facebook group, Under the Hood with Rachel Sheldrick. We're having some amazing conversations without you at the moment on all kinds of things, from labour charge-out rates to the type of management software that we're using, marketing tips. Make sure you join. See you next time.